Kamulegeya ori range manager wa National Forestry Authority ahabwe cyange cya Budongo asimire abantu abo bakwataganisize nabo abarime bitongore ebya WWF World Bank ahamwe na nabo ababiri nibatahirira ekibira abebembezi babutosha ahabo koragana kugira ngo basegaruzaho ekibira ekya Kagombe Forest obwahati ekyabire cyasigizeho ebicweki 12 omwaka wa 2016 Mubito bwahati bajerizo babasa kugaruzaho ebicweka nyamwingi kandi na hectare zikurenga 500 nazo bazigaruzaho omwaka ogwe 2024.
Now in the IFPA, according to the IFPA CD worker plan 2023-2024, we are supposed to restore 500 hectares of the degraded areas in Kagombe, and I'm happy to inform you that we were able to restore these hectares here in Kagombe, and this is the area where we have visited with the district and the sub-county leadership plus the local communities.
Ebe bikiri aho Christopher Kamulegeya asimire ahabo umurimo gwakozire umukubasa kureba ngo yabasa kuhoshomesa abantu okumanya kubine ku rugo mu myanya eyebira ngo kandi ikintu kimwabihwerire okugira ngo base kugaruzaho ekibira ekya Kagombe Forest Reserve.
Waitu hati ali manager wa Kisindi sector Mr. Kamulegeya Christopher kandi omukoro gubaire murungi muno kino tukikoze habwo kwijuka ebirungi ebyatukolire omu myaka 3 habwo kuba akaija yatwegesa oburungi bw'ekibira obuyatwegeseza oburungi bw'ekibira yagamba tukwatanize nawe aine bitongole byawukaine ebitukora nabyo kugaraho obuhangwa.
Kamulegeya obwahati atunjire promotion kainaja kwana yebembera NFA sector omuchanga ekya Kisindi kandi obwahati ikintu cyo kiri kukwata na nekibira ekya Bugoma aho ombijerebye hagire mu Central Richard Ogu hagambire ahabintu ebitari bimwe na bimwe ebyabire nabugana aha murimo no kwabire nagezaho kubikoraho.
The biggest challenge we had here, it was mobilizing of the communities. Some of them were discouraged by the others because others had the interest of coming and cultivating in the forest, and then others were supporting us in planting the forest. So they would intimidate those who were ready to plant the trees. Another challenge was transporting these seedlings from the entrance, from the main camping area to other distances, especially from here to Muzizi. It was very far.
Ori RDC owakagadi Lilian Ruteraho asimire aba NFA okwatanisa kandi bakahigana abantu okuruga kurungi omyanya y'ebibira hatabireho okubateganisa kona.
We are really very grateful as the leadership of Kaga district for National Forest Authority in restoring the forest here in Kagombe. We are so humbled because the work that is being done here down in the forest is wonderful and commendable. We are so grateful with other partners who are joining hands with NFA, like the Kison, like the WWF, and really the World Bank.
Makuraga gasha kwa Andrew Musinguzi ahabwa Sky TV.